Good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning program organized by Modern English School, Nawada. Myself, Kunal Sharma, your mathematics teacher. Today, we are going to start exercise 4C. This is lecture number 8, and today we will learn about cube of a negative perfect cube and cube of a product of integers and cube root of a rational number. So now let's see how to find cube of a negative perfect cube. So cube of a negative perfect cube, let A is a perfect cube number. So cube root of a negative perfect cube, okay, will be equal to negative of A, okay, negative of A. This minus sign will come outside because we can write cube root of negative A cube as negative A into negative A into negative A 3 times, and out of these 3 1 will come out, so it will give you negative A. In this, for example, cube root of negative 125 will be equal to, I can write it as cube root of negative 5 cube, or I can write it as cube root of negative 5 into negative 5 into negative 5. So one negative, out of these 3 negative 5 multiplied together, one negative 5 will come out, and our answer will be negative 5. So when we find the cube root of a negative perfect cube, this minus sign will come outside. So cube root of a negative perfect cube is also negative. Now we will see how to find the cube of a product of integers. Suppose this is A, cube root of A multiplied by cube root of B equals cube root of A into B, cube root of AB. For example, cube root of 64 into cube root of 125 equals, I can write cube root of 64 into 125. Now you can find the prime factor of this 64. What is the prime factor? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and this 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, so make triplets of equal factors. Now out of these 3 2, 1 2 will come out. Out of these 3 2, 1 2 will come out, and out of these 3 5s, 1 5 will come out, and this will be multiplied together. So what is the answer? 2 2s are 4, 5s are 20. In this way, we will find the cube of a product of integers. Now, cube root of a rational number. For example, okay, you can make a note of it. I am going to take some more examples only. Now you can take one more example. Cube root of a 64, or you can write 343 into cube root of 120 negative 125. So how will you find this? We can write it as cube root of 343 into negative 125. So I can write it as cube root of 343 is 7 into 7, and this 125 I can write it as negative 5 into negative 5 into negative 5. Okay. So out of these 3 7, one make triplets. Out of these 3 7, 1 7 will come out, and out of these 3 into 1 minus 5. So what do you get? 7 into minus 5 is 7 5 is 35. Now minus 35 is the answer. So student, next thing we will learn how to find cube root of a rational number. Okay. So suppose that we know that rational number is in the form of a by b. So cube root of a by b is equal to cube root of a divided by cube root of b. For example, let us take example cube root of 343 divided by 125 is equal, we can write it as cube root of 343 as 7 into 7 into 7, and 125 as cube root of 5 into 5 into 5. So out of these 3 7, 1 7 will come out, and out of these 3 5, 1 5 will come out. So 7 by 5 is the answer. We can also solve, suppose that root cube negative 343 divided by 125. Then we can write it cube root of negative 343 divided by cube root of 125, or we can write it cube root of this minus sign. We know that it will come out. We can write it as minus cube root of 7 into 7 into 7. Okay, we know the property cube root of a negative perfect cube is always negative, so this I can take this minus outside. Now cube root of 5 into 5 into 5. So this is my negative 7 by 5 is the answer. So in this way you will solve this type of question. So now your today's homework will be exercise 4C. Your homework will be exercise 4C 7 to 18. Okay, 7 to 18. Okay students, thank you. Thanks for watching the video.